Hi guys. Okay, it's finally time to draw the 100 subscriber giveaway. And as you can see, I've got a very technical setup. Now, my room is actually quite bright today, so I don't know why it's so dark on my camera. Look at this. Dark, if I move the bowl. Light, I don't know. Anyway, maybe it's the background. Hold on. I should probably prepare before I turn the camera on. Is that better? Sketchbook? I don't know. Anyway, as you can see, I've got this super duper technical setup. I printed off the whole comments list from YouTube. So that covers every comment on every video. And I just ripped them apart with a ruler and folded them and popped them in here. So luckily I don't have too many subscribers because this system probably wouldn't work. It would take me way too long if I had any more. But next giveaway I'll probably do it about 500 and I'll use something like random.org or something. Okay, so I've mushed these around quite a few times. They've overflowed everywhere. Clive, my fat cat, he absolutely loved this bowl. He was trying to pull little pieces out and run away with them. So, okay, let's draw this. So if you commented a couple of times on videos, you're in here a couple of times. So you've got extra chance of winning. And I did that because I kind of wanted to reward the people that regularly watch my videos and comment. Okay, so here we go. I might dig down the bottom and it's like Christmas. Are you serious? Wendy? Wendy, oh my god. Okay. Can I just say, I actually joked in one of my comments and I said to Wendy, oh my god, Wendy, if you win, people will think it's rigged because I always go on about how much I love Wendy's channel. And okay, that's a bit too funny. Let me open some more so you know, so you can see that they're not all full of Wendy's. Oh my god, Wendy. Okay, that is way too funny. Okay, so you can see they're not all Wendy's. Wendy, okay, that's a bit funny because I actually crack that joke. If you win, people will think it's rigged because I absolutely adore Wendy's channel. She's another Aussie and she is so creative and she makes the cutest little things, and we actually just started a challenge together. So Wendy, oh my gosh, I can't believe you won after I cracked that joke. And Wendy was actually so gracious to say, oh okay, you can take me out of the, you know, giveaway. And I said, no, don't be silly. I said, you're in the giveaway, young lady. And oh my gosh, okay. That is so funny. I should go see. Okay, just so you can all see, there are other names in this. Seriously, I really can't believe it. Anyway, so Wendy, I can't believe you won after I cracked a comment about people thinking it's rigged. I think you and your husband will get a really good laugh out of it. And the little comment that won it was the one you made on my boho scrap fabric swatches. So thank you, Wendy. I know you wanted to bow out of this after I cracked that joke, but you know, we're Aussie, we joke about those things, but there you go. You won anyway, despite our jokes. Okay, I seriously can't believe it. Wendy, I think I need to also buy you a lottery ticket or something because that's too funny. And this week I've had all sorts of weird stuff like that happening whenever I say something. Something happens. Like my husband came home the other day and he said, it's funny that he was looking on my little Etsy store at some little metal vintage metal button packs I had, and he goes, I can't believe these buttons didn't sell first. And I said, yeah, me too, because they're really pretty and they're vintage, and I thought they'd be the first to go out of my shop. And then I heard a little cha-ching on my phone, which means you've got an Etsy sale. And then we looked at my phone, and then it was literally at the end of his sentence about the buttons, and it went cha-ching. And that sale was the 4 button packs that were in my shop. And it was so funny, so funny. And all these, I've just had all these strange little things happening this week, and this is another one. Oh my god, I can't believe it. But Wendy, I'm so happy you won though, because I absolutely adore you, and I know you're a recycle person like me, so I think you will appreciate my journal, because my journals are, I know they're quite junky and they're not to everyone's taste. I don't use pretty scrapbook papers, and I don't use digital kits, and I don't use a lot of the little pretty craft items that people seem to like these days. Mine are completely recycled products, apart from little metal book corners and things like glues and paints. Otherwise, every paper, every little piece of fabric, every little bit of string, wool, bead, button in my journals, they're all from rescued or found, or things that friends or family have saved for me, or could be out of a curbside cleanup, you name it. Op shop buys. Anyway, so Wendy, I think you'll appreciate it, being a fellow recycler. And yeah, it's so funny. Okay, that's it. Thank you so much, everyone, for your support. I'm actually almost at 200 subscribers now, so the support has been really, really wonderful, and everyone's comments have been so nice and supportive. And okay, I feel like I've won another Oscar, but thank you everyone. And Wendy, I'll get your little baby out to you on Monday when the post office is open. Thanks for watching. Bye.